Firefly FFST. This is the Relic white ash body. Here's the inside of the box. This is the styrofoam packaging that a lot of the overseas packages come in. Protects it pretty good, I gotta say. He double boxed it. I'll put the link in the description. I can't quite remember the name of the guy I bought it from since I didn't get it off the site. And in whammy bar, he put in there just inside one of the pockets. The stuff's getting everywhere, but what can you do? And strings. Threw in a set of strings. These are 9s. I can't use them, so maybe one of my students can use them. We'll unveil this thing. There it is. A lot of the paint's gone on the back. I like that. I prefer to have no paint on it at all. There's your locking tuners, aged. Looks good though. Lots of that paint is gone. Maybe I'll sand the rest of it off. We'll see. Nice though. This is my first one with the humbucker, so we'll have to test it out. All right, let's listen to it. There's the dings and nicks there. Let's listen.